Welcome to the Mizzou Grape and Wine Institute YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use a handheld wine analyzer, Sentia, to access wine parameters. The material you need: Sentia analyzer, transfer pipette, pipette tips, Sentia test strips, sample wine. To begin a test, ensure you have your Sentia handheld analyzer, a transfer pipette with the appropriate pipette tip, and a test strip corresponding to the desired test. The test strips are all number-coded. The number on the test strip signifies the calibration and the lot number of the strip. So when you are running a test, you click on Test. Select the test from the menu. Select the type of sample that you are trying to run. You have the choice between white wine and red wine. In this case, we are running a white wine. You type in a sample ID and compare the lot number in the analyzer with the lot number on your strip. In this case, it matches, and the analyzer will tell you to insert the test strip. While the instrument is preparing, you pull your sample into the pipette tip. And the machine will tell you when to apply the sample. And you apply a very small volume to the tip of the test strip. And capillary forces will move the sample into the analyzer. The sample never touches the analyzer itself, so there is no need for cleaning. The only thing that is in contact with the sample is your test strip. The method will count down while the reaction is happening on the test strip. And after the countdown is done, you will see the result on the display. Then you can remove the test strip from the analyzer. In case you forget to do it, the software will tell you to eject the test strip. You remove it and throw it away. Now the machine is ready for the next test. Thank you for watching. GWI Service Lab presents this video tutorial for how to run a handheld Sentia analyzer.